Okay, today we will see how to create new JVM. Notepad. JVM issues and resolution. Now suppose we have three JVMs in the production environment. Okay. Unfortunately, two JVMs were shut down due to the reasons, due to some reasons. Okay. Reason here management inform that we will create new JVM and map with the existing JVMs. Okay, this is the requirement. So start the node agent and will create the new JVM and same JVMs will be adding into the cluster environment and same JVMs will be mapped into the application into the cluster and application master should be running. Application must and should be running with new JVMs. This is the requirement. Okay, this is our requirement. So I started my DMGR console and I started my all nodes and all DMGRs. I have verified what is the port number of my server. Cat about this profile.txt 9060 no security. So I what is the IP address? IP space A. This is HTTP. Okay, 9060/IBM/console. We are opening under console. Okay, in the console, this is the one of the interview questions. This is one of the interview question asked: how to add new JVMs and how to add the cluster members into the new JVMs. Okay, we will see. And before that, we have some issues happened in the DMGR. I will show you what is the issue happened. See, this is I faced an issue with while starting the DMGR. Okay, see, this is the issues I faced while starting the DMGR. We faced these issues. How do I resolve? I will inform this error starting up. This is some unknown issues, null pointer issues, java.lang.null pointer exception while starting the server. Okay, by using this, avoid that we can check the application profile service is stopping. Okay, shift G lost. Okay, now it will good running. See what is the issue, how I troubleshoot. I will show you clearly. See, this is the issue. Okay, this is the issue. Okay, this is the issue I faced. Received illegal configuration argument, multicasting interface value, and was found in local machine network interface list. Make sure that network interface property is properly configured. This is recently in the real-time issues I faced. How I troubleshoot, I will show you how I troubleshoot the error while starting server due to the runtime exceptions. So many issues, null pointer issues and everything. You can avoid this. Error stopping and other things. Java.lang.null point exception due to this cat etc host. See, I have added host name and IP address in the host file etc and host. Issue is resolved. Okay, this is first issue is where identify. After this, you can troubleshoot the issues. Multicasting means already IP address is already used. We cannot allocated IP address for the server. Okay, so we can give IP address and host name or server name. We can use like this. Issue is resolved. This is one of the interview question. Okay, how to create the new JVMs? I will show you how to create new JVMs. I am using 85521. Say all JVMs are shut down. This JVM is running and this JVM is running. Okay, not started. Maybe some issues. So I will. What is the issue? I will troubleshoot. And this is normal issues, no issues. Okay, we have created new servers as per our requirement. Creating. So I will shut down and I will shut down these JVMs due to issues with my production, my servers. So I created new servers using existing node test underscore server. Okay, okay, this is about creating the servers. Due to some reasons, JVM is shut down. So we can use creating new JVMs and add to the existing clusters members and sync. This is the XML files. We have modifying all XML files. This is the one of the real-time questions. I am starting the server. I will verify the logs. cd app server 1 logs, cd test class test server, and tail space -10f systemout.log, not generated logs. Logs will be generating. See, logs not generated. Okay, it will generating logs. Wait. Logs will be generating. Server is starting. Logs will be generating. Systemout and system error.logs. Okay, it will be generating logs. No issues. See, request is coming, then only logs. See, these are the protocols we'll be using. And the same thing we can add in the cluster members. Say detected server. Say server is successfully started. Same thing we can add. We can add. We can add, and same another server we can need to create. Server 2. Server name is required. Test server. Next, unique port number will be generating. And any damaged servers we can remove it from the configurations. I will remove the configurations. I will show you how to remove the configurations from the server. This is one of the real-time tasks. CD app server 2 logs test server. Okay, it will come system.log. Tail space -10f system.log. It will be generating. After that, defected JVMs will be removed from the configurations. See, started successfully. And the same thing, we need to delete old JVMs as per our requirement. Delete. Based on the requirement, we can delete new JVMs, old JVMs, sorry, based on the confirmation of my manager. Any doubts? Please ping me in the chat window, live chat. After this, we can remove these 3 clusters also, and I will add manually these 3 clusters also damaged. Review and sync save changes. If you know perfectly, then only we can do. Otherwise, you can trouble. If you know perfectly, then only you will do these things. Otherwise, some other person, those who are knows perfectly, then only he will do the tasks. Otherwise, reach the PMR, no reach PMR, you can search the internet and do it. And okay, and I'm creating another JVM in the test server custom 3. All JVMs were creating manually due to some reasons affected my JVMs. Reviews, sync, save changes. This is the one of the real-time task. Okay, you can start. In WebLogic, we can add servers in the cluster members. Okay, we can stop the servers, then only we can add the cluster members. Okay, okay, it will not started. I will start. I will how to add cluster members. No issues. Application running into 2 servers. no issues. Go to cluster members, new cluster member, test CL01. You can use existing as a template. Next, and test CL02. You can select the node, and okay, after this you add the member and test cluster 3. You can add another member. Next, finish. This is need to be done from WebSphere end. Any doubts? Ping me the WhatsApp chat. Live chat. Ping me the live chat. Any issues? We will verify all the live chat and clear the questions. What questions you asked? Based on your questions, I resolved the answers. Okay. Okay. Now we can start the servers. Logs. Test cluster 1. It will be generating the logs system out and system error.logs. Every server there is system out and system error logs. Okay, don't confusion here. Every server system out and system error log will be present. See, tail hyphen 10f. Sorry. See, test cluster 1 e-business. I will verify cluster 2. See, e-business. This third server is some effect, so we cannot start. No issues. Two clusters is running, right? No issues is reported. Our requirement is only 2 servers. Okay. Uh, 9088. We can use application is running or not. We can verify. So virtual host, you can configure under virtual host 9088 environment, virtual host, and default host, and host alias. You can add 9088. Review virtual host.xml file is updating. And I will add 9089 for my another server. After this, restart the cluster members. If a request is not coming, wait is 0. Okay. Server is down, waiting is runtime is 0. If server is running, runtime is 2. Okay, this is cluster 1 and cluster 2. See, logs are returning, then working fine. Logs are not returning, request is not able to reach. This is the TCP transmission control protocol. This is IP4 triggered. I will show you application is working fine, no issues reported. Detecting cluster member 2. See, server 2 test cluster 2 is started. No issues is reported. I am accessing the application, no issues. I am login. Login page is triggered. Okay. I am login and as per your requirement, so we can troubleshoot. Okay, like this. This is the ways we can troubleshoot the issues. based on your requirement you can use like this. Okay, 9088, right? Now I am using 9089. Now I am using 8082. Server is down. I will start my IHS. I think IHS not there. IHS is not installed. Okay. IHS is another server, I think. I will show you IHS is in another server, another machine. You can log in with another machine and start it. On 29. Okay, new session. I think this also not created. I think. Okay, IHS COD bin dot slash. Okay, and go to applications. We have mapped the modules. Sorry, 129, right? Map the modules. See, already we can configure. Go to web server, created or not? Already created. Okay, I started already. Plugins are created or not? Okay. Can what is the port number? We can configure 3443. Okay. 3443 slash server. Okay, we cannot go add the plugins. We can add the. I will show you how to add this also. Like this. Okay. We can add the application server certificate. Go to security, SSL certificate and management, and key store and certificates. And the default to trusted. Okay. And signer certificate. This root certificate we can add the plugins. Okay. OPT extract.crt. After this, you can go to web server, select, IHS configuration, plugin properties. Here we can copy web server directory. This is plugin KDB and all the things. chmod, -r, 557. Okay, like this. You can configure. This is IP address. You can use SAP SFTP as admin at the rate 192.168. Okay, plugin get plugin key dot stash get plugin cfg dot xml. Okay, like that we can configure like this. After that we can add the certificate. Okay, opt like this. Okay, I will add opt. I will add the certificate into the my plugin KDB. This is KDB. I am adding. You can remember this path. Okay, opt IBM HTTP server bin dot slash gskcmd hyphen set hyphen yard hyphen db. This is my plugins KDB hyphen file slash webs. Adding the certificate into the KDB for the secure connections dot slash gskcmd hyphen set hyphen list hyphen db plugin hyphen pw webs default password in the security.xml. So default certificate. You can give label. You can give label hyphen give label root underscore ca. You can give already. You can give. You can add third party certificate like this. Otherwise default certificate. After this, we can restart the cluster members. And I will use here also cd conf. I will take backup of the http d.conf. Okay. Yes, everything is perfect. Yes. Enable load module. Everything is perfect. Restart the cluster servers. It will come. Or you can troubleshoot issues. You can verify access log and error logs. CD logs. Tail -10f. Phone not 4 file not phone 500 server down. Twenty-two, 26, 10, 26. This is real-time task. Like this, we can we can perform the task, real-time tasks. After that, we can manually Apache CTL -k stop. Environment. We can test 443 is enabled or not. We can verify. Okay, 443. Preview. Save. Master configurations. Like this, we can configure after restarting IHS, and after that we can secure the connections. Yes, IHS is running. Okay, any issues we can troubleshoot plugins. Okay, it will take time for restarting. Okay, like this, you can troubleshoot any issues, so plugins under generate and propagate we can do, and we can resolve the issues. It can take time. Okay, this is how to add the servers and how to create the servers and how to add the cluster members. If you run the cluster member, how to if you run the run the IP address and new JVM port number is running or not, we can verify. Everything is perfect, working fine, no issues reported. You can stop the session. Kindly share channel to your friends and relatives. May be helpful those who are learning WebSphere and WebLogic and all the things. Okay, I am stopping the sharing and all the things. If any issues, please reach out to me. If any issues in the WebSphere, please reach out to me. I will explain clearly